Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about the benefits or importance of training. Now training is an organized process of imparting skills and knowledge to the employees which will help the employees to perform the work assigned in a better and more efficient manner. So and basically for any organization, the human resource is a valuable asset for every organization. And to make sure that the human resources, which is a valuable asset to the organization, contributes effectively to the growth and development of the organization, it is essential to provide the necessary training to the employees so that the employees work in an effective and efficient manner in order to achieve the goals of the organization. So basically, let's just analyze some of the benefits or importance of training. Now, see, firstly, training helps in improving productivity. Now, if an individual is trained in an efficient manner, this will result in an increase in skills and knowledge which the individual has, and usually this increase in skills and knowledge results in increment in both the quality as well as the quantity of output. And nowadays, an increase in the technical nature of modern jobs demands, training that training be given at periodic intervals in order to fulfill the demands of the job to which the employee is assigned. Now, secondly, training also helps in increasing the morale of the employee. Now, an employee, when through training, when they are imparted the necessary skills and knowledge, the training also leads to an increased confidence of towards the in the employee to do the work or the job assigned to them in an efficient manner. And this increase in confidence in the employee is reflected in their work, which which makes because due to the increased confidence, the employees tend to take up even challenging jobs, and also training motivates the employee to take up new tasks of the job. Next, training also helps in increasing the organizational stability. Now, when sufficient training is given to the employees, the dissatisfaction which arises when the work is not done properly is reduced, because when training is given, the employee performs the work in an efficient manner. And when there is increased satisfaction in the employee, labor turnover and absenteeism is reduced. Labor turnover is also known as attrition. Attrition refers to the number of employees leaving the organization. So when the attrition levels in the organization come down, this leads to stability in the workplace. And another thing is, the technological advancements nowadays in any business arena demands, that necessary requisite training be imparted to the employees so that they adapt themselves to the changing technological environment. So a trained worker will become more adaptable to the changing work environment than an untrained employee. So apart from that, training also helps in making sure that there is uniformity of work processes. This is particularly in those organizations which are engaged in manufacturing of products, especially when training is given to the employees engaged at shop floor levels who are actually engaged in production. Then in such cases, training makes sure that the units which are manufactured by these shop floor level employees are uniform in nature. Next, training also helps in reducing wastage of both time as well as resources. When necessary training is given to the employees, employees tend to perform the tasks efficiently and in less time. And at the same time, they are, also there'll be when training is given to the employees, training is imparted not only in the skills and knowledge to do a particular task, but also employees are given training regarding material handling, equipment handling, and how to follow the safety protocols when they are carrying out production. So all these results in reduced wastages. Next, training also reduces the supervision which is needed for an employee. Now, a trained employee generally performs the job with less or no supervision, and it makes the job more easier and gives the employee and the supervisor a greater independence in the job. Next, training also helps in reduction of accidents. Now, trained employees tend to handle the materials and equipments in an efficient manner, and they also tend to follow the safety protocols. Generally, accidents occur by deficiencies in people in handling the equipments and in the working conditions, And because training is imparted to the employees, so employees will generally be careful in carrying out their job. So all these are some of the various benefits of training, because see, training is a practical and vital necessity, because apart from all the other advantages which I have just mentioned, it enables employees to develop and rise or climb up the career ladder within the organization, and also increases the market value of the organization. And an efficient workforce and a dedicated workforce is a huge valuable assets for any organization. Therefore, every organization should foster or aim at increasing the efficiency and effectiveness with which the employees conduct or carry out the activities in the organization.